In this video, I will show you how you can model a full working drawing floor plan in Revit. Since we already have the grid lines and the dimension, we will now start by annotating the spaces. And if you don't know how you can go about drawing the grid lines and taking the dimension, I have already made a video for that. You can check it out in the channel. So let's start. You go to architecture, go to room. You can also use the shortcut RM for room. So you place it in each of the spaces. At this point, I want to separate the dining from the living area. So we use the room separator. You can see it just under the room. You can see it under the room. Use a line to separate it. I go back to room. As you can see now, they are not separated. At this point, I showing it not include. We do the same thing using the room separator. Just draw a line to bound as a boundary. Okay, now you can now name the rooms now. You can use this to move the annotation however you want. You can move it depending on your choice. So we are done by annotating the spaces. So the next thing, we change the graphics of the walls. Click on any of the wall, right click, overlay graphics in view by category. Click on cut lines. Change the pattern to solid. Change the color to black. Let's use 7 as a line weight. Again, go to cut pattern. Let's choose brickwork. Do the same thing, change the color to black. Apply. So you can see now the walls are coming out well now. So again, you can have tone the grid lines and the dimension. Right click, right graphics, view by category. Halftone. Apply. Do the same thing to dimension. see it's coming out well. So the next thing we are going to do now is adding a floor finishes for each of the spaces. To do that, you go to architecture, go to floor, replicate. Let's change the thickness of the floor to, let me say, 10 mm. Height offset, let's do the same 10 mm. Select the pattern you want to use. Let me use the crosshatch. Change the color to black. You can also half tone it. Apply. Okay. So you can see the pattern now. So you can do the same thing to other spaces depending on the pattern, the finished pattern you want to use.